Hi guys, Sagar here. Today we have the eighth question of exercise 11.4. We have to simplify 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus. So let's write it down. We have 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. So first, both we have a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. So this would be 1 square minus cos square theta, and this is 1 plus cot square theta. And yes, 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta, and cos square theta equal to cosecant square theta. We know that sin and cosecant are reciprocals of each other, and if I substitute square, this would be square theta. The numerator and denominator will get cancelled, and the answer we get is 1. That's it. We applied a plus b into a minus b. We got 1 minus cos square theta, which is sin square theta. And also in the third one, we have 1 plus cot square theta, which is equal to cosecant square theta. Sin theta and cosecant theta are reciprocals of each other. If I substitute 1 by sin theta in place of cosecant theta, I would get 1 by sin square theta. Numerator and denominator will get cancelled, and the answer we are left with is 1. That's it. Hope you understood the question. Subscribe for more such solutions. Thank you.